Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create mockups in Canva. First, open Canva in your web browser and make sure you are logged in. Now click Create a Design located on the top right corner. Then select a design type from the options, such as logo. Next, use the search bar to type in mockups and press enter. You will see various mockup templates. Select one that suits your needs. Here, click on the chosen mockup to open it. Then if needed, click on Apps or Elements and search for mockups again to find additional options. After that, drag and drop the selected mockup onto your canvas to add it to your design. Now go to your desktop and locate the image you want to use. Drag the image file from your desktop and drop it into Canva. The image will then be uploaded to your design. Next, adjust the image's size and position on the mockup as needed. You can also rotate the image by selecting it and using the rotation handles. If you want to add more mockups, search for additional mockups in Canva. For example, type Mockups if you want to showcase a design on a shirt. Select the shirt mockup and drag it onto the canvas. Then drag and drop your image from the desktop onto the shirt mockup and adjust its size and position to fit within the shirt design. Finally, make any additional adjustments to ensure everything looks perfect. And that's it. You have successfully created mockups using Canva. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.